Hello everybody. I typed the keyword viral math problems in Google and the results were like this. The most famous viral math problem is 8 divided by 2 open parenthesis 2 plus 2 close parenthesis. Let's solve it. Many people solve it this way. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then 2 times 4 equals 8. Then 8 divided by 8 equals 1. Guess what? This is wrong. To solve these arithmetic operations, we must know the order of operation rule. PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division with the left to the right rule, and addition, subtraction also left to the right rule. Now let's solve it the right way. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. So the correct answer is 16. Now let's move to the second question. 5 plus 5 times 0 plus 5 to the power of 0. Can you solve it? Many people solve it this way. 5 plus 5 equal to 10, then 10 times 0 is equal to 0, and don't forget that 5 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1, but you know this is wrong answer. Remember the PEMDAS rules that we have discussed. First time we have to do 5 times 0 is equal to 0, then 5 plus 0, and then plus 1. So the answer is 6. The correct answer is A. Let's move to the next question. Question 3. 12 divided by 3 times 2 plus 2. So remember the PEMDAS rule. For this question, we solve it left to the right. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Then 4 times 2 equals 8. X plus 2 equals 10. So the correct answer is 10. And now question number 4 is challenge for you. Try to solve it and drop your answer in the comments below. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.